Hello, my name is Thomas.
Hi, I'm Julie. We live in South San Jose. We have a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old and an 11-year-old pit bull. So we bought our home in 2021, and when we were looking at houses, we really wanted a room downstairs. When we saw this house, we saw that it had a third garage space, so it gave us some flexibility to create and use a room as we needed it to be. As our family grew, we realized we really do need a playroom and just more space for the kids, so that kind of motivated us to start this project.
We just wanted the room to look flush, even with the other features of the house that we had.
Yeah, we really wanted this room to feel like it's always been there, not like this new addition. So we just needed it to fit seamlessly to what we already have. Expectations were we just wanted an open space that would be really flexible for our needs as they evolve, with good lighting and just a nice little cozy vibe. Overall, I think everything went really smoothly. We don't know anything about this stuff, so we're kind of going into it blind. SOJO really helped us kind of navigate each step and was really helpful as we designed and planned everything.
It was easy to communicate with everyone, stress-free, so it really helped out a lot.
I think our biggest challenge was with the city and getting permits for this project. That really was our only delay, but SOJO handled everything so smoothly and kept us in communication the entire time. Once that was all cleared and the project started, everything went really quickly. I think the project was done in like 3 weeks, less than 6 weeks or so.
3 weeks, yeah.
Which was nice.
It was really easy. It was fluent. Just whenever we reached out to you guys would get back to us within the day. So it was really nice.
Yeah, and I would say the app that they used was also really user-friendly and really convenient. It was nice to have everything that we needed to reference just on one app.
One platform.
Yeah, that was really helpful.
It was amazing.
Yeah, we were really excited. It was really nice to kind of see our vision come to life and now have this additional space that we can use.
Much bigger than what I was expecting.
Yeah. It's improved our day-to-day life quite a bit. It's been kind of nice to have a designated area for the kids. We hosted Thanksgiving recently, and it was really special to see like all the kids in that room drawing and coloring and just making a mess. But it was really nice. It really solidified why we had started this project in the first place.
It was isolated just for the kids too, so that helped.
Yeah, it was really good. Overall, everything went really well. Yeah, honestly, no complaints. The only hiccup we had was through the permitting again, but SOJO handled that so well. I felt like we were constantly in the loop. We knew what was happening. We knew what was expected. Yeah, really well. Highly recommend them.
Yeah, never stressed during any of the process. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we already have recommended to quite a few people. We just had such a great experience. The quality of the work was great. Just the entire process was so smooth. So yes, 100%. We'll recommend them, have recommended them. We'll continue to recommend them.
Mm-hmm. You guys did a great job. Did more than what we asked for. And we love it. That everything was managed properly. Like things are clean. Just because we have little kids around all the time, there's a lot of dust. Your team maintained it really well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I would say all the different team members and all the people that came to like work on each specific part of the project, everyone was so kind and really sweet and really accommodating to 2 little kids running around. So yeah, overall everything was really great.
Asking a lot of questions about all the tools that they have. So
yeah, that 2 thumbs up.
Amazing.
Stress-free.